Hello, how can I help you?
I want to go on a trip. Do you have any recommendations?
Indonesia, Japan, United States. The ticket is being printed. Please wait. Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready for takeoff. Passengers, please put away your tray table. Fastening your seatbelt, Passengers, please fasten your seatbelt. Cabin check is complete.
Please tap on the start button. Push the throttle. Slide the wheel to fly. The plane took off successfully. We're on our way.
Passengers, we will arrive in Indonesia shortly.
I would like to go sea fishing. There are so many fish here. Let's start fishing. The fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. There are fish around here. Go toss the bait in. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. Let's go somewhere else. Is on the hook. Tap to reel in. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. The fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. Let's make a pot of fish soup with the fish we caught. Let's enjoy the fish soup together.
Passengers, the meal service is now starting.
I'm done eating. I like the food.
have to equip the magical item. Passengers, we will arrive in Japan shortly.
This is a great place for a hot spring bath.
Before entering a hot spring, we need to wash our body first. Apply soap to get rid of all the bacteria. It's time to rinse. Quickly dry the body with a towel and don't get a cold. Put them into the water. Some hot spring goodies to make our soak even. Wow! These petals have turned this. Wow! It's a fragrant milk spring. The water is a bit cold. Let's raise the temperature. Passengers, we're passing through turbulence. Please take care. Please find all the safety hazards in the cabin. There's still a problem here. Still a problem here. Passengers, the safety check is complete and you did a great job. Passengers, we will arrive in the United States shortly. Let's go and play a football match. We have to change into our football uniform before going to the match. Wear a helmet to protect our head.
The football match is about to start. Players, please get ready.
Don't let them steal the ball. Pass it to a teammate now. We lost the ball. Get it back. Don't let them steal the ball. Pass it to a teammate now. Thank you for traveling on the Baby Bus flight, and we look forward to seeing you again.